What are you doing?
The camera out now. Let me. Mommy needs a rain suit.
I am so entertaining.
You're so crazy. So crazy. There's sun in your eye and your head forward. Peaches. Peaches. Uh-oh. I stuck it in there. What are you going to do? You had that mouth wide open. Mommy just stuck the whole spoon in. Thank you. We would like to eat some of your peaches. Jackson's on one.
I know.
You wiping your face off with your bib? That was so nice of you. Now you're going to spit. I'm glad Daddy thinks this is so funny. But our 4-month-old can make fart noises.
Do it again, buddy.
I'm working on something else now, Dad. Hi. You want some more peaches? Mommy's good. She caught it all back up. And you will eat it. Yes, you will. What you get for making? Oh, my spoon's got less on it. That means more got in your mouth. Dad, what Mom's doing to me? And the third time, it's empty.